In this PPT lecture, we will be discuss about the inflammatory immune response. Firstly, we will start with the introduction, then the history, then step by step the whole process and the reference which I refer. When there is any tissue damage or any injury in the body, the immune response is generated is known as the inflammatory immune response. There are various barriers are present in the body such as the skin, mucous membrane, eyes, mouth, saliva are the various barriers are present into the human body which contains the various lytic enzyme or various secretory molecule which not allowed to the entry of such a molecule inside the body because such a foreign pathogen when entered into side the body, they have to cross such a barrier such as the skin, mucous membrane, mouth, eyes. Such a barrier contains various lytic enzyme which kills the bacteria or do not allow the entry of such a bacteria or such a pathogen inside the body. But what happen when there is any tissue damage or injury? So foreign bacteria, there are many bacteria present in the surrounding, or many, not only bacteria, but there are the fungus or other microbes which is harmful for our human body, which is present in the surrounding. When there is any tissue damage or any injuries happen, so surrounding microbe are able to directly entered inside the body. So such a type of for killing such a type of microbe or for inhibit such an infection, the immune response is generated is known as the inflammatory immune response. The most important process of the inflammatory immune response is the phagocytosis process. So inflammatory immune response is generated when there is any tissue damage or any injury. So basically when there is any tissue damages occur, there is lots of redness in such an area where the tissue damages occur, and secondly the area which is smallly heated, and there is a lots of pain in such an area. So this is the basic sign which observe when there is a tissue damage or any injury in the area. So this is the history. In the 1st century, Roman physician name is the Alus Cornelius Caesar, who described the 4 signs of the inflammatory immune response. This is the 4 sign which is observed when there is any tissue damage or any injuries happen. There is the redness in such an area, and there is a swelling is also occur in such an area where the tissue damages occur, and there is smallly heated in such an area, and there is lots of pain. So this is the 4 sign which was described by the Caesars in the 1st century. So the name is as a tumor. Tumor means there is a swelling. Rubor, there is a redness. Choler, heat. Dolor, pain. 5th response was added by the Galen in the 2nd century, that is the loss of functional, that is functional leisa.